Hi everyone. This evening I have Jay's QuadraFire Pellet Stove Controller. It's a TASSB-93V.12A, a standard black box controller. Jay sent it in to me because it wasn't working at all. It was completely dead. In fact, he found a big smoke spot inside. Fuse was burnt out. So I've done all the repairs that are necessary, and I've labeled the controller of green light at 300 degrees F, and the red light should come on at about 1100 degrees F. So I've tested that out and it's all functional. So I'll go ahead and turn power on to the controller, and when I do that we should see the igniter motor come on, the combustion motor come on, and the auger. For this controller style, the convection fan will not come on because it's controlled by a switch in the furnace itself. So it gets power, and when the cabinet gets warm enough, that switch closes and the motor comes on. So I'll go ahead and turn on the tester, and we'll see three lights come on, and sure enough, for the first 4 minutes the igniter will run, and for the first 2 minutes the auger will run, and the convection will continue running. So I'm simulating a temperature right now of 66 degrees Fahrenheit, and if I look at the controller and I flip it around, let me flip it around real quick, we'll see that none of the lights are on. So I'll go ahead and crank up the temperature to at least 300 degrees F, and we'll see the green light come on. So we're at 250, 270, just about there. As I crank it up further, there's the green light. Green, red, off, on, off. So that section of it is working, and that does not affect any of the light bulbs because right now the igniter is still on the 4-minute timer and the auger is still on the 2-minute timer. So as I continue to increase the temperature, I'll get up to 1100 degrees F, and that will turn on the red light, and it should actually at that same time turn off the igniter. So let me get to the temperature with 600 degrees. With 1,000, we're approaching it. So here I'm going to go back down below. And like I said, that should turn off the igniter because we're hot enough, and it should continue to run the auger. There it is. There's the red light. And in the background, we see that the igniter shut off. So it's on because, of course, my thermostat here, my thermostat is on. I'm calling for heat, and we can see that I'm calling for heat because my heat light is on. So this system is running in automatic mode. If I were to turn down the temperature a bit, I'm still in the timing zone, so the igniter should come back on. There it is. And if I stop calling for temperature by turning down the thermostat, we should see the auger shut off. And there it is. And the green light's not on. I'm not calling for heat. And the igniter's off, of course, and so is the auger motor. I'm still over 1100 degrees, so if I crank that down a little bit and I call for heat again, both the auger motor and the igniter come on, and the igniter will stay on until the red light goes off, or the 2 minutes, and as I creep up on 1100 degrees, that light should shut off. There it is. So for all the testing I've done here, Jay's QuadraFire Pellet Stove Controller is running normally again. Everything is running fine, so I'm ready to return it to Jay. Thanks, Jay. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.